Chapter 8. Craft a grand blueprint for your triumph. What a mind can conceive, the mind can achieve. Napoleon Hill. Having a master plan for your success is a strategic and goal-oriented approach that empowers you to navigate life with purpose and direction. It involves setting clear objectives, creating a roadmap, and staying adaptable as you work toward your goals. This master plan encompasses your personal, professional, and financial aspirations, ensuring that you are not just drifting through life, but actively shaping your own path toward fulfillment and accomplishment. This is your master plan for success agenda. Number 1. Procrastination and excuses, the saboteurs of your success. Procrastination often thwarts our path to achievement. It's the act of undermining our potential without a clear reason. We are brimming with ideas, but many remain unrealized due to a lack of action or a comprehensive plan. To succeed, we must have the courage to face this self-imposed obstacle and embrace our aspirations. The exclusivity syndrome, driven by comfort and excuses, frequently leads us away. It is essential to acknowledge that true growth thrives beyond our comfort zone. Erasing procrastination and all forms of excuses from our lives is the key to attaining our goals. Success calls for firm determination, disciplined action, and a commitment to stepping beyond what is comfortable. Our potential knows no boundaries, and the journey commences with that courageous first step. There are no shortcuts in the game of life. To attain success, we must confront procrastination head-on, give life to our ideas, and champion the path to realization. Take this step today to L2. Ask yourself first, what is blocking me today from completing my daily goals? Begin by eliminating your daily procrastination, even if it seems trivial. For many of us, mobile notifications can be extremely annoying and disruptive to productivity. They might even prevent us from accomplishing what truly matters. I would highly recommend adjusting your mobile notifications to kickstart your new productive hobby or a new workout routine. Your best choice may be to turn off your cell phone completely or put it on silent mode. This small change can have a significant impact on your ability to focus and achieve your daily goals. Number 2, embrace discomfort daily for personal growth. Each of us has a unique life purpose and remarkable talents. No one possesses the exact same talents as you. Your journey to greatness is a road less traveled. There are no two people with identical paths to greatness. There are, however, steps of greatness to be learned from the wise individuals we admire. Yet, the entire journey remains our own responsibility. In other words, do not fear discomfort on your path to success in the game of life. Your burning desire is your most vital attribute for achieving anything. Instead of being afraid of discomfort, you should be concerned if you find yourself passive, pessimistic, or lacking a clear purpose in life. That being said, comfort is your biggest adversary on the journey to success. It is that inner voice telling you to take it easy and that everything will be okay. Following that voice is the worst thing you can do. Without a burning desire, there is no progress and no success. If you aspire to succeed in life, you cannot be content with just blending in. For example, Arnold Schwarzenegger advised against comparing yourself to others or envying them. He underscores the idea that each individual's journey is unique and personal, and success should be measured against one's own progress and aspirations. Rather than wasting energy on jealousy or competition with others, Schwarzenegger suggests directing that focus towards self-improvement and self-motivation, ultimately leading to greater personal fulfillment and success. His perspective encourages a mindset rooted in self-determination and perseverance. This is your L2. Essentially, this means that if you are lacking that burning desire for success and a clear life purpose, it is time to pick up motivational books that match your interests. One of the greatest motivational books is the Bible, a timeless source of inspiration and wisdom. Just remember, every great journey starts with that first step, and those who never begin never achieve. So take that initial step, kindle your inner fire, and start your journey. Think of it like starting your car. Unless you turn the key, you will not get anywhere. Number 3. Trust your journey and keep moving forward. In the classic story of the turtle and the hare's initial overconfidence led to a surprising result. Despite being slower, the steady and determined turtle won the race. The moral of the fable reminds us that consistency and determination often lead to success, even when faced with apparent disadvantages. In a similar way, having a brilliant idea is just the starting point. Without taking the necessary steps to realize it, the idea remains stagnant and of little worth. Just like the turtle who kept moving forward, you too should push ahead with your idea, no matter how small the steps might seem. By trusting your journey and maintaining unwavering persistence, those small steps can evolve into significant achievements. Remember, the journey to success often presents challenges and setbacks. Embrace these hurdles as opportunities to learn and grow. Every step you take brings you closer to turning your idea into reality. Success belongs to those who persist and continue to push forward, just as the turtle's determination led to its victory in the race. Number 4. Make impossible become I'm possible through faith. Faith in your own abilities, a strong belief in yourself, and the power of burning desire are at the heart of success. When you fail, your desire for success should always outweigh your failures. The mind has no limitations except those we acknowledge. Faith is the catalyst for success. It operates when faith and thought merge and are transmitted to the subconscious mind, which then communicates with the infinite intelligence. Faith must be sincere and unwavering. It cannot be based on pretense. Your conscious and subconscious minds work in tandem, with the subconscious taking everything literally. To develop faith, the use of autosuggestion and affirmation is essential. By convincing your subconscious mind through repetition that you believe in your ability to achieve your goals, faith will naturally develop. Faith is the cornerstone upon which all wealth accumulation is built. I strongly recommend adhering to the instructions in Chapter 5, Learn the Power of Autosuggestion for Success. This will enable you to master your multiple intelligence skills through self-talk, practice, and repetitive reinforcement on your path to success. Number 5. Ignite your burning desire to succeed. Burning desire is the starting point of all achievement. It is the fuel that propels us towards success. Choose a definite purpose and channel all your energy and determination into realizing it. Create a comprehensive plan so clear that even a 5-year-old could understand it, and leave no room for retreat. This dedicated commitment, akin to the determination to win, is essential for success. Desiring riches with an obsession that transforms into a plan supported by unwavering persistence is the key to your success. Desire goes beyond mere goal setting. It triggers a synergy of effort towards your objectives. Your purpose becomes all-encompassing, influencing both your conscious and subconscious mind. Do this today to move to L2. Consider that long-postponed dream, the one you've kept on hold for far too long. Now it's time to craft a precise master plan for its achievement and take the very first step today. Witness your progress as you put your knowledge into immediate action for success, propelling yourself to new heights with every step you take. Your dreams are within reach when you decide to turn them into reality.